Boom. A solid straight I represent for GQ TV. Watch ya. Subscribe, like, and share. Bam.
Welcome once again, my loyal viewers and subscribers. My new subscribers, always welcome to. Big up on yourself. GQ TV once again here. 2026. We finished last year with a bang. And this year, we are trying to take it to our next level. So we have a whole heap of new content for Sorry about the delay, because we're in Jamaica filming. You don't know. One big up Donovan. Donovan, see up on the plane. And yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Donovan from out of Florida. So anytime you see me, people, you don't know, you can say what's up, man. Yeah. Because I only make where I do this. So this is the first one I got drop for 2026. That one I name You Can't Trust People. So just sit back and relax and enjoy this. Always remember, if you'd like to help us out, the Cash App is going across the screen right now. And also the PayPal too. Anything you send is greatly appreciated. Big up on yourself. Yeah, computer pal. Yeah. Bro, talk to me now, man. Yeah, me I say, man. Me I work on the thing, dog. But the bee nah budge. No. You get hurt before, so you know that's something to go. We soon have something for you, man. Yeah, man, me say the girl have a nice piece of food. Yeah. Well, I mean, I know, but me I work on the door. As soon as I get all of the info, man, I'll just send it over to you. Yeah. And you just take out everything, yeah? Dog, I want to you, man, you know, say, brother, yeah, man, Paul, man, I'll do that, man. I work on it. Ah, cool. No, man, me give the girl have money. Me know she have money. Me get some good info. All right, brother.
Oh, Bernice. What Dane say? What Dane say?
No, because you just attack.
Dane always figure it out, you know, man.
You just see like the situation and it just a go. Instead I forget better, I worse it again.
Bernice, don't worry yourself, man. Trust me. Bro, I go solve this. Him always figure it out. And me understand the situation, say not conducive and all these little things, you see me? But the storm come and we couldn't do nothing about it. My place or your place. Then I'm a brother. You see me? So, but stress yourself. If him say my work on it, trust me, he has a plan. And it will happen. Understand the situation? Yo, the storm come, mash up a whole heap of people. Fortunate for me, we have a look around so. My place or your place. Then I'm a brother. You see me? But here, man, say, don't worry, stress yourself. Come lie down and relax yourself, man. Yeah, man, come lie down, man, and rest yourself. Come. No, man. Yeah, though. Come rest yourself, right yourself, man, right yourself. Water drain down this, come.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Rest yourself, man. Nicola, sit. Yeah, you're good. You alright?
I guess.
Well, you look like you're all drop off a bed. You can come over here.
No, that's
It's big
alright.
enough if you hold it 2 weeks.
It's alright. I'm a good man. That good.
Alright.
Who that? Oh, the guy. Oh, well, him. I mean, him alright. I guess when I talk to him from me give my number. Girl, you know when I look for that serious side, not even matter if him text me or not. Why me no want him say no matter him can text all he want? Yeah, him look good, him smell good, him have him things, him do computers like him say him working on one lab or something like that, me no know. But I'm pretty sure him well set, but me just don't want nothing serious. So I'm not gonna like entertain it too much. I don't know. Girl, listen. I'll catch back with you later, but no, I did not talk to you. Alright, cool. No, me I say hold on a second, can we just reach here? Put me an area, you can talk. We talk about this already, no, me tell you already. The guy is attractive and all that, but me just not ready for settle down right now. And that is totally fine. Why you argue with me? Hold on, me I get one call. Dimitri call me. No man. Alright. Hello. Hey, you gone? You know me there just reach home? What going? Huh? What guy? What is wrong with you and Kim? What about this guy so? No, I haven't spoken to him since. What is it? Only know me, only know this, only know something ready for settle down. I'm telling you this over and over and over. Oh, so because him have money, me feel like jumping at it. So what you say? No, yeah, so but so you basically tell me say like him have money, me can get a try. Like me not have my money too. Wow, listen, wanna leave me alone. If me gonna give it some thought and if me decide say me like him, I wanna go to him and make it know. Whatever. Later. Yeah, later. Well, like me tell you say me really don't know. Like me just not know.
I have to know, you know. Yeah, but Ashley, how long time you been out of a relationship still, you know?
Where you call long?
Well, anything where 6 months, a year, that long, so, you know what I mean?
That's not long to me. That's enough time for me to get on myself, like me just to get my thoughts together.
Alright, put it like this. I know say you have issues trusting anybody right now. But from what you tell me, the youth sound like a good youth. So me suggest say just give him a chance.
Me barely even tell you nothing about him. I feel like only just a pressure me into talking to him because I say him have money or something. Me don't know. Like I just feel like when I guess like me. Like everybody constantly tell me say give him a try, give him a try. But you of all persons should have known say me already like based on when I got you in my last relationship. I'm tell you everything say no. So you should have tell me say for give it a try. Don't touch me, just go on. Do not touch me. Go on. What is wrong with you? Go on, just go on. How much longer you want me to wait? Do not touch me, Apple J. Don't touch me. Just go on now.
Is that come out to your place, man? Yeah? Come out to your place.
Yeah, but you can't treat everybody the same, you know. You know what I mean? You have to give him a chance, man. You have to lose. Give him a chance, man. All you do, you know, just put your whole heart in. Just go with that open mind and give him a chance.
Listen, me think about it so much that I'm gonna see myself giving it a try.
Alright. Just think about it. Me not pressure you. Because you don't know me not force you or nothing where you know if you go, you know. But just think about it, man. As I say, go with that open mind. Alright, here we are with Ashley. Just bring him by the barber shop, man. Let me get to know him, man. I'm not talking, just can't just scam come there. You can't just play it off like, come for your eyebrow, okay, eyebrow and one. I just do up your eyebrow at the same time, and I just get my own perspective and view of him and tell you what I think.
Alright, that doesn't sound like a bad idea. If my carry come and you still think the same, then we give it a try.
Alright. Man, just forward with him.
But it's not gonna be one formal, you know. A
No,
barber
man.
shop in my come.
me know.
Oh.
Alright.
Yeah, Paul, I'm gonna tell you, dog. Going on my waist was a terrible thing, my friend.
Why? I'm if you tell you, brother. So, what happened to Rennie's?
You know, she sit down there, Bill with hype, though.
I.
Yeah, man, my bedroom, man. Yeah. You know hype, man.
Oh,
You probably not to remember him
oh,
still.
yeah, man, that youth there, yeah, man. I
Yeah.
know the youth, man.
But you are going now. Get a drop, you know. Come on. Need a girl to get some money from me, you know.
You know, easy, you know. You know, remember what go on the last time?
Brother, I know what going on the last time,
Man,
man.
you know, remember?
I remember, man. But yo, Paul, you me I say. That girl, you're a fool, man. So you not even want to think about that. As soon as me get close to
How
her,
much
man.
money we are talking about,
I
man?
don't know that yet, dog. Brother, I don't know.
A Paul is I talk to you, know, man. Brother, you know me have to live up to my thing, you know, man.
That go work, man. That go work. Just make me go and do my thing, man. And get close to her and get to the info, dog. Trust me.
All
A
right.
legit thing, dog.
You see, before you get close to her, I have a thumb drive. That one, yeah, as some Russian send me that thumb drive, yeah. You see, anytime you put that thumb drive in your laptop, everything on my one, it take 20 seconds.
Alright, now say a word, man.
Brother, I rush and then give me
See,
that thumb drive, yeah, and me have to make them get back something. So here, what? You see, if we not gonna make no money off of that beer, you see, if we not gonna make no money off of that beer, no make we do it.
we'll do it, man. We just want to get the account information and just send it to you. Now that, yo, and thanks for the gear them to, you know, the white tees and one thing, you know what I'm saying?
Them the least, brother, man. Them the least, man.
Wish me could have gone and bill with the dog, cause can't stand to live out of my car, brother.
You know for me, baby mother, Tanya.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know
yeah,
she stay
yeah.
already. company and then she not like, boy.
Natural.
Yeah, well, just go and do it in your car. Because my sister, you do it in your car and you move around, brother.
Yeah.
And you're strong, you know, man. You, brother, you're tough, you know. You know, brother. Just go and do your thing. But guess what? You say if we are going to slip up, brother.
No, man, don't worry about that, man. Don't worry, man.
Hear what I
See?
say. Hear me I say. As soon as you're ready for you get any access to our laptop, just
Yeah.
make sure see the bathroom or any access. And make you get a thumb drive, see?
Don't work, man. Say a word, yeah?
Hear what?
Me keep you informed.
Just go and do your thing, brother, man, and just go and hold them. See?
Yeah, pa.
Dane,
Yeah, hear me?
where you say Dane?
That's all things.
How exactly you want me to answer the question there? What you mean how things? You know how things be already? Me uncomfortable. Me no me hungry. Me a starve.
Yeah, you know, man. We soon start out the thing, man. I tell you, we work on a thing. We have seen a nice piece of food, yeah?
Dane, it's been a month now. It's been a month. How long you go work on things? How long it take you for work on things? I am so uncomfortable. Me asleep on one. Not even a kid size bed that. Me don't even know what size bed that. Me have to ouch up. You know my back a pain me right now.
Me know, babe. Me know, man. Me know, man. But I thought good youth, man.
Me never say nothing about hype. Me never say nothing about hype. Me talk about my situation.
It soon be over, man. Just trust me, yeah?
Dane, what?
More weeks at least.
Dane, you just a piss me off. Whatever, yeah, man. Right now, me just can't bother.
Finally come out of the house.
You don't even understand the stress I'm under right now. How my life go from good for one click of a finger, everything gone bad. We just not understand it. It don't make no sense whatsoever.
Man, that's just yourself, man. See me there, I go and clean up. I do what I can do. What Dane I did?
And I don't want to hear nothing about Dane. Dane just a piss me off. Every minute, babes, don't worry yourself. Things so when things are gonna come true. You know, I 1 month no see Melissa blowing now. 1 month. I go in a 2. Me and suffer. When me come here, me tick. Look for me.
You look nice to me still. I don't know. But Dane always figure things out, man. Don't worry yourself. That's just yourself. Yo, the youth always come true for you. And if him never believes him can do it, he would have never lied to you. I'ma believe him.
Right now, me just, you know what me feel like? Me feel like the just out there and did nothing. He just a running from the situation.
Him don't say so. From the end, I'm gonna figure it out. Him gonna do it. Trust me. And it's not like me I run you. You're good. You're not comfortable. It's not like we are run you gone away. You don't have to behave someone.
It might take too long. Like, the day no me know, him just move fast and make things work already.
What are the situation, baby girl? You know?
I.
No. Sorry. But me and you know, deal. Everything crisp, man. And you can stay as long as you want.
What
But
for dinner?
just know say a breadfruit and tin mackerel for dinner tonight.
You know all them something, yeah?
Yeah, Ash. Voicemail. Try one more time.
Yes, Ash. Yo, I know, so me never yet encourage you and nothing wrong yet, right? As far as me can say, youth is a good youth. You see me? And plus, you can't stay single forever.
Well, me did don't agree, so what I give it a try. If my carry on and you still think me for go ahead with it. So I guess me can give my one text and switch part it go.
Alright, that's the right thing, man. But yeah, I'm not going to tell you now, because I have a youth who say I get married today and he want me cut him here, so I'm going to deal with this. So look, I'm saying.
Alright.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah, Ashley. What go on? Yeah, man, babes. I would love to go on a date. Oh yeah, definitely. Where's it? Thursday? All right. Yeah, man. Thursday it is. Okay, babes. No problem. Yeah, no problem. You good? Yeah, man. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah. All right. Yeah, Thursday. Cool. Yeah, computer power. Yeah, man. I get closer and closer, dad. Say a word, man. Yo, hyper call me from country. See? Yo, hype. Yeah, me love how you take care of her, dog. Yeah, man, I appreciate it. Yeah, man, me soon send have a piece of food, yeah? Just a work on a thing. Alright, my brother. And hype, you know me appreciate that, yeah? Go and take care of her for me. Cool, bless. I'll tell you, babes. Bar full door. Sorry I'm late. I was late. You know, I had a late meeting today. At probably about 5:30. But I'm here. And I'm glad you called. I was kind of surprised, I'll tell you the truth, you know.
That's fine. I guess we're kind of equal now because I also wanted to apologize for like not calling you sooner.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man. No problem. I mean, no hold it against you.
Well, just so you know, it's not about you. I'm just a little skeptical, because I've been through some stuff.
Yeah, true. Because nowadays, you know, thing where you can't do trust people. A whole heap of crazy scam out there. And, you know, that's something there. Real, man.
So, since as we never like get to know each other over the phone, I do have some questions for you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's understandable. Shoot.
Well, I see that you're well dressed, very put together. What's your occupation?
Well, I'm into computers, you know, actually. Yeah, man. Everything computers? Yeah, that's me. Fell in love with it. I say around my late 20s. Yeah, man. Computers. Something about computers.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
How can you be an asset to me and not a liability?
Whoa. Okay. I like it. Ball and blunt. I get it. But okay, here's the thing. Very hardworking. Here to support you in pretty much whatever you choose. You know? Definitely don't want to drag you down, hold you down. I'm here to build with you. You know? Let's do this together. You know what I mean? You for me for you. Hopefully that answers it a little bit for you.
That's reasonable. So, what happened in your last relationship?
A last relationship. Again. I like the question, you know? And since I have nothing to hide, I gotta just tell you straight up. Relationship going very good. Was fantastic, but you know the whole America thing. I couldn't deal with the long distance.
Oh, you used to live overseas?
No, she migrated.
Oh, okay.
You know, and we just fall apart, you know. But it was going good. But I just one of them things there, you know. So where you see yourself in 5 years, Ash?
Well, in the next 2 years, I'm planning on expanding, right? I'm trying to get another location, so this should happen between 1 or 2 years. I wanted to open a club, so that will fall in the 5 years period.
Okay.
But I'm trying to own a couple businesses, so buy a new car.
I love it. And I wish you all the best.
Well, thanks.
Moving forward. I like it. Like you seem focused and know what you want, you know? I'm loving it, man. But hopefully I can help you fulfill all those dreams, you know? Like I said, build together. You know, two minds, two great minds. Yeah, man. That's the thing there.
Well, let's see what the future holds. Yes.
For real, man. You look kind of cool though. You want my jacket before I go check for the food?
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, no problem. Soon come back, yeah? That was great. Did you like the food?
Like a 7.
Yeah, it ain't bad at all. Hopefully we can do this again sometime. Whoa, a lot of stairs, man. I'm gonna lift you up and carry you. Yeah?
It's fine.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Alright.
I guess this belongs to you.
Yeah, for real. So Ash, hope we can do this again sometime, yeah? I'll call you, yeah?
Alright, looking forward to it and reach home safe, okay?
Are you sure you don't need help going up the stairs? I look like a whole heap of stairs, you know?
Don't worry about it, I'm okay. Used to it.
Alright. Take care of yourself, yeah?
Definitely. Good night.
Yeah, man. You too. Yo, it go good. Yeah, man, I get closer and closer. Dog, me say me clean in that suit. Me fi tell you, I'll watch. Yo, bro, make me keep it clocks, dog. No, bro. I'm going to hold on the suit, man. Yo, you have to go tell me something about the computer still, no, cause you girl really thinks I do computer thing, you know, brother. Yeah, man. Dog, me tell you something, I go eat food, man. That's cool, no, man. This we doing, no, man. Yeah, brother. Me a lock off, man. I got in bed, you know. So, yes, sir, keep it clocks. So you go on, in dog.
Always listen now. Always buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Way. You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fight. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite. Always. So what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to youths, they're living in misery. And all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life?
So your ex, that seemed like was very toxic, Ash.
Yeah, it was. It was. And he would do the same things them over and over and then pretend like he didn't. I just did something wrong. Behave like him not have the knowledge. I was just up to him. He was very narcissistic.
Wow. Got you, I had to get rid of that still, you know? Yeah, man.
And fun fact, I put up with it for so long.
Wow. It's all done now. Yeah. Over it.
Hopefully he knows that it's done because him still reach out to me and still act like him owed me. But we're done. But for me, it's over. You know, I had to even get a restraining order. I mean,
Okay.
so it was that bad.
Well, them say love come in different ways, you know?
Well, I don't know if it was love, so I can't say. I don't think it was love. But enough about him. I'm trying to move on.
Yeah. That.
What you had in mind for today?
You want to take a walk? I go up on the scene and then get some drinks? Oh, I could do it, man. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man, everything good, man. Yeah, bro. Man, a nice date again. But dog, you couldn't iron out your shop, man? Yeah. I'm soon can't come, man. But yo, I work on it, man. I say I work. Everything I go good, yeah? Me link you. Yo, Paul. You know, wonder if the woman did it. Yeah, man, I want to beard over your crib. Night. Yo, me just get a call from the beat. Yeah, man, she want me forward you. Tell her, say, I get closer and closer to her, dog. Alright, me I forward.
Yo, are you in Dane?
Who want it?
Brother, me want to know. Are you in Dane?
Yeah, but you who?
You see one other day, no one.
The woman who?
I mean, brother, actually me talk, brother. What do you mean by?
Oh, are you are the ex?
That you tell her? I'm your man, brother.
That you tell me?
I'm your man, brother.
I realize.
You know, see no? Worry yourself, man. Long run short to chair.
Ash. Why, we can't come in?
Alright, cool.
Yo,
What's
Ash.
going on?
Sorry for roll up on you like that, but you still with your ex?
What ex?
Your ex boyfriend.
No, well, what is it?
Because he run me down this morning with gun. So me I take him woman.
What? Where?
Alright. I'm out of the park, right? You know me just do me. I try to take my little morning run before I go to work. I don't want that to see roll up on me. I must him cause I want one short little thick brother. Yeah, in terms of I, yeah, them still have a thing and I don't know. Yo, me feel so nervous. You think me no shot me. So me ask you again, Ash. We're still together or what? You have to really let me know.
Listen, you asked me before, me tell you no more to lie to you. We're not together. Me not understand this. And this is exactly why we break up. Like, we have so much history together, bad history together. We're not together. I don't understand why I got you in my head and why you feel the need to do that. But me go fix it, so don't worry about it. Like, me not understand how this even happened, because me have a restraining order against him. Like, him can't come nowhere near me, so I don't understand how him just, like, he must stalk you.
Yo, I don't know. It's training hard or something, the other thing that don't work, you know.
Listen, I'm sorry that
I'm
happened
like,
to you, but don't worry, no. Me go fix it. Alright? You okay? Need a bottle of water?
no, I'm good. I have to go take care of something on the street.
You sure?
On the road, yeah.
Alright, then I'll walk you out.
All right, make sure, yeah? Because the man look like a psycho.
So you really mean to tell me that you really run down Dane for sure?
Well, that's what Dane tell me. You know, me I take him more feet. Me not understand what Apple J do, you know. Me not understand why would I start the youth. We not even in a nothing yet. How me even know about him if I start him?
I don't know, yeah, man. No. But don't worry about him. As I say, I go back, I go and build upon the block if in case anything happens. So, you can go in, man, go fall asleep and thing, and we just go and watch out. See?
Alright, I may get really tired, so me I go and go get some sleep. So thanks again.
Alright, yeah, man. Alright, do that, man. Me out just go and black stuff, see?
Say you're good.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. Me there, man. Nothing happen to you, no, man. Me good.
Alright then, good night.
Mm. Can I say, no, man? To get all too late. She must alright, man.
I will forget no Moses.
Hey, girl, you don't tell me for.
What you mean, man? What you doing here? Why you in here? No reason for in my house. Come out.
Why
Come
me,
out,
man?
Apple J. Why you in here?
I don't the money put. Yo, stop run put me now.
Oh, me around put it.
What you
Why
mean?
you in my house? Why you in my house? Do not
Yo.
put your hand on me.
What you try to do? You think I stay with the man?
Apple J, it don't matter me.
Well-
You know that you're not supposed to be in here. I have a restraining order against me and call the police. Come out of my house.
You come like Melissa with a come mash up me out, brother.
You're not supposed to be in here if you lick me.
You know some mash up? Yo, stop run put me, I tell you. You think the boy have nothing over me? Eh? And too much of one vehicle and everything. You know what you do, you know? And stop run put me, brother. You may tell her no what you do, brother. Okay, you know keep off already, you know? Stop run put me, you may tell her.
Take your note of my face. You did a drink?
That have nothing to do with you, brother. That have nothing to do with you.
Clearly you're not think straight because me have a restraining order against you and you barred yourself in here. You don't care.
You look like me care to you.
You're supposed to care because why you just want to throw away your future? This can't send you to jail, you know?
Should even know no more.
Listen, just relax. Just relax. Listen, nothing now going between me and the guy. Me don't even know what you talk about.
Just want to know something, I still love you. I'm just sorry for I'm just behaving a while ago. Like, I'm really sorry.
I'm going to prove to you that nothing now going between me and him.
Oh, you have to prove it.
Just act. Get up. Get up. You put your hand on my boy.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
I come ask me if I know who me a play with. I know who you a deal with. Get
Archelaus,
up.
please. Please, man.
Get up. Miss come out of my house. You come and ask me if I know who me a deal with.
Ashley,
You know who you a deal with?
let's put it in gun. We
It's
can't
like you
talk.
forgot who me be.
Let's put it in gun, please.
Listen, come out of my house. I'm prepared for the police them come look for you. Come here and make them know say, yeah, disrespect the restraining order.
It's alright, Ashley. Ashley, just put it in gun.
Don't touch me. Come out.
Just put it. Ashley, just put it in gun, man. You know me never mean for that.
You never mean for barging at somebody else in the middle of the night and put it on them? Come out of my house.
It's alright. Just want to say dragon from here.
Oh, that's a chat?
This what you really do? Yeah, I got the money. Yeah, be Mustafa.
Just go on, man. Go on, man.
Just remember, say, I'm going to regret this here. You're going to regret this. You're going to regret this, you know. You see money you left for? You're going to regret this.
Let's say I go on now.
No, I have a joke thing you take this for.
Oh, I want to get that.
Because Moses, I explain something to you, tell me say you go watch my back and you go away. You don't know what one night?
What happened?
The other night you tell me say you go there out of my gateway and make sure you say me covered. Me don't know where you go, but after you come in at the house and be go something me have to pull my gun for him.
I really that one. If I know. But guess what? I never really go nowhere. I just did take a look 1 minute and walk go down to go with a leak and come back.
See you see when him come out back.
No, I not see nothing. I mean, honestly, I not even see I have gun.
Yes, I have a one pieces, but it license. And a good thing I have it because you know what I do. Me I expect say you the outside. You not even make me know say you move.
Boy, I'm sorry about that. But you that is why I said to you, say you need a man up there, man. Because if you ain't have that man there, up there, he could have defend you.
Him the reason why Apple J come at the yard in the first place. Me don't need no man. Alright.
Alright. I just did come for one check point still. But yo, look on, I'm sorry about that still. See?
Where you come from? Where you know there work?
I work, me I go, me say me come check for you.
Look, plenty time normally with that day at the shop already.
Look on.
Do something.
No man, look on. Look on. See?
You can talk?
Yeah, man, beers, man. Anything, anytime for you. What you mean? What go on?
Honestly, there was something I wanted to. You know what? It's nothing. Never mind.
No, man, beers, man. Say it, man. Well, say it, man. Well, what's on your mind?
You sure?
Positive, sure as can be. Just lay it on me.
Okay, so I was doing a lot of thinking, right? Like a lot of thinking, because I had some time on my hands.
All right.
And I was considering, to have you move in with me. That would be alright with you. Because we've been comfortable with each other, right? We've been great together. Yes.
Okay, yeah, definitely, babe. All right, yeah, man, you know me, do me, that sound good, babe.
Is
Let me
everything
just,
okay?
yeah. All right, tell you what me do, babe. Me talk to my landlord and see how me break the lease. I think me only have a couple months left on it anyways, okay? But that's not a problem. That sound good. You sure?
Joe, why you not sound excited? Are you excited?
Yeah, man. Like me say, the early man, so you know. Yeah, man. But that sound good. Me not have a problem, babe. I swear. That sound good, man. Might as well, you know.
All right. Okay then. I guess I'll get stuff together then for you.
All right. And then we like me said, me check the landlord, and then we just get back to you. Yeah, but that's not a problem, man. As long as that you want, babe,
Um.
I'm with it.
Okay.
See?
Okay then. I'll see you later then. All right.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Dane. Dane.
I go on, babes.
Morning.
Morning.
I'm
What time
about
now?
to leave.
I leave? What time now?
7:40.
7:40? Okay. You snore? I snore.
I mean, it's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. You're not going to work.
Yeah, man. Yeah, definitely.
Like what time? Cause it's like pretty late now.
Yeah, man. I jump and put stuff together.
All right. Well, me I go rush out before you, cause me have a client out. You tell me.
All right then. So, John, I'm sleep late. Not even get to make you the breakfast before you leave.
I mean, if I make you breakfast, you have my guess. But unfortunately, me have to rush out leave you. So maybe one next time.
All right, babes. Don't know.
And me I gotta head out before you, so I'll catch you later.
Yeah, man.
All right. And like text me when you leave.
Yeah, man. Me do that.
The bunch key and the thing, use that one, cause me have the other key.
All right. Cool. But you know something, I know where I go. Mm-hmm. You talk about work. I know where I go. The lotion smell good. Well, credit card. Mm-hmm. What's for this I go? Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'll see how here. Ah, Tid. I'm lying. You're struck. Cha. Mm-hmm. I'm gone. Well, Javina. Hey, Ashley. Why figure it out? Mm. Call power and gain a number. Yeah. Bro, computer power. Yeah. I'll send you a card number, yeah? Yeah, man. Let me know if you're good. Ah. Yeah, bro. In that place, man, I'm telling you, man. Yeah, I'm able to tell you, dog. Alright, cool.
Yeah, man, Charge. What go on? Yeah, man. Yes, man. Everything Gucci, man. Yeah, nice, man. She good, man. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, though. So, how things are going on your side? You fix things? Hmm. Oh, well, I saw them things are going on, brother. It's going to take time, but as long as you have a plan, do what you have to. Yeah. Yeah, man, you don't know what they are, man. I'm going to hold it down. You don't know what the fuss about nothing. Do what you have to, man. Yeah, man, we'll take care of you, man. Everything, just. Yeah. Alright, bro. Big up yourself. Ah.
Yo! I can't run, my friend.
Boy,
They tell you,
yo, you go on good, You go on good.
Tell them, man, you
Tell
take
them,
me a play. I mean, tell us, say.
a good thing. Me show you a little computer work and I sitting, but guess or not, brother, the big food where we really want to eat,
Yeah.
it depend on the laptop, brother. Feel our laptop.
Yeah, man, I know.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
That's what we want to get to. Cause you see, when we get to
that's
this
it.
stuff, you think you eat food yet? You don't eat no food yet, brother. This are just little, you see me, I say, but differently, she don't miss nothing.
Me no hear nothing yet. But the big day forward. Them are go nice.
You're nice, man. Everything are nice, man. Just
Yeah,
go and
man.
take care of yourself, my brother, and be
See
safe.
that, man. I for good youth, man.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Watch out. Yeah.
Say a word, brother. Yeah, man. Babe, just trust me. Please, yeah? Yeah, man, I soon send it off. Yeah, I soon do that, yeah? Yeah, man, just trust me. Yeah, Paul. So me I say, yeah, man, me a 10 minutes, girl. You know? I get closer and closer with her. You see me? Man, the girl a fool, man. Believe me now, man. Yeah, bro. Me all a cook and thing, you know? Sometimes she come home to her meal and thing. Yeah, man, a them way they may deal with the thing, dog. No tap by her all gift and sitting. Off her one card, you know? Yeah, man. Thing I work out, man. I get closer and closer, dog. Trust me. Tear me now, you know? So anytime now, brother, I just need to get close to the computer, you know? Yeah, man. So don't watch nothing, man. We're going to eat food, brother. Seeing it at work. Believe me, yeah? Yeah, man. Any minute now, man.
Hey,
What going on, babes?
nothing. I didn't expect to see you here. Normally, I come home early. there.
Yeah, things is slow at the office, so me just say, me just come home. Oh yeah,
Make me there try to pay off the bills then.
pay some bills.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No. Babe, let me ask you though. Everything with the what going on with the ex there? Everything Gucci in other situation there? What become of him?
Well, since I went back by the station, the last time in hear from him, one of the officers told me a couple days ago saying we get arrested in being messy on somebody, I think.
Oh.
Yeah. But we haven't been communicating, so I don't know if he's out or not. You can check on it's fine. Mega check on the pot.
All right.
I'm suffer like this.
Yo, Paul. Hey man, just give me a couple more days, man. So hold on to the computer tight. Like, whoa. Yeah, man, nothing else. Yeah, man, she gonna work, man. Tell her me not work today, dog. Yo, the girl full of fit. Mm. Yo, dogs, but so what you say? Yeah, but she not left computer careless, dog. Yeah, me I say me have to go try it. Oh yeah? Yeah, man, me I work on it. Alright. As soon as me get a glimpse at it, bro. Alright. Yeah, man, I say I heard, man. Get myself familiar. Alright, cool. Yeah, me I say babes, man. Mm. Like me say, me soon send off the money, me I work on it. Trust me. Yeah, man, me chat to Ike, man. I make you know how I go on. We know how you feel, man. But me I work hard. Trust me. Alright. Hold on. Babes. Ash. Ash. Yo, Paul. Yo, the girl left the computer. The laptop, man. How you turn this on? Oh, lift it up. My front. Yeah. It has a password. I don't know a password, good boy. If I try so much, it'll lock. Shano. Hold on. My social media. Hot girl Ashley. 1, 2, 3. What you think? No, sir, we couldn't be so lucky. Hot girl Ashley. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You know, say capital H door. Try? How you do that? Shift H at
Yes, you spell it with a G-U-G-Y-A-L. Yeah, it work. Blouse and skirt, Paul. The girl have $13 million in her account. Papa Jesus. Dog, a real thing. Let me not tell you say information when we get solid, bro. What you want me to know? Take a picture of the front page and send it to you. What you mean? Brother, take out everything. Everything. Alright, I'll do that now. So when we done, do? Pull it back down. We pull a button there. Okay. Right now. Yeah, the pot soon done now. No, babes. Couple more minutes. And we're good to go. Everything alright?
Give me a second. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, you look flustered.
Me I try to figure out what is going on with my account. Cause I can't seem to understand why it says $0.
$0? What do you mean?
I don't know what to tell him. I'm trying to find out.
You call the bank?
No, I haven't called the bank. Me just see this. Me there try. Me I wonder if my have a glitch.
No, man, babe. Don't worry yourself, man. Them thing that happen all the time. But later on, you check that good or good. A simple something.
I'm not even gonna stress it because my other friend in the force will deal with them something here. I just call up a summit and make sure sort it out for me because she not joke about things like this, especially when it comes to me. So I'm gonna get back my money if that's the case. Because I don't understand this.
Eh? You know say you have a friend like that. What you say? So hold on. If they find out what happened to that somebody there.
Well, you know, everything is a process, so I'm gonna do an investigation and everything will chase back to the persons involved if it's more than one. And then make an arrest on me. Make them know if I want to press charges or not.
Jesus.
As a matter of fact, mega Carla, where's my phone?
Oh, I gone, babes. You never going today? Alright.
Lisa?
What things? What she say?
I just have to wait. There's nothing I can do. I can't get my thoughts together. I can't be around nobody right now.
No, so that tough right now, but so just try to be optimistic about it, you know? Because sometimes when things happen at the bank and they get resolved, man, I tell you, they go fix, man.
I can't have that conversation
Worry
here right now.
yourself
Because
too
I
much.
know how much more optimistic I need to be. I just can't believe that this happened to me.
So babe, what was about the money?
Well, unfortunately, the money gone.
Hmm?
Yes, this investigation is still going. I'm trying to figure out how Mega gets it back. Probably won't, but the investigation I run.
I did how much money? If you don't mind me asking.
It was $13 million, and to be honest, there's a lot of things I'm never tell you.
13 million? With a M?
Yes, damn 13 million.
I will if I money that man. Yeah, you not gonna say something? If you don't mind me asking again, oh, you did come up on a money the babe. 13 million.
Like but I try so before there's a lot of things I'm not tell you.
Hmm.
I have 2 kids back in country. With them I live with my mother, a boy and a girl.
For real?
I was married before and like we got a divorce and in the process we get some money to start up with the kids because they're
Boy, I did rich.
yes.
Okay.
So now I know me I get do me know me send them money work not enough to maintain the 3 away. But I try to get piece of land to buy to build up one house but
Sure no.
the bank can't tell me nothing. The niece they know what go on.
So
The
you
investigation and take long.
with the friend I work on it though?
Yeah, she work on it. She said she'll do her best to get it done as soon as possible. So fingers crossed, man. Try to be as optimistic.
So no, I'm sorry to hear that man. I can't even imagine lose $1,000 much less $13 million. Everything all good. Don't be a man, but I worry about that man. You know what I mean? Them things are happen all the time. But I feel that I'm gonna figure it out. No, that's tough. Tough, but I'm gonna figure it out, man. Just be optimistic, yeah? I'm gonna figure it out.
What's wrong?
Yo, dog.
Dane, one thing.
Yo, we can't do that to the only way I
No,
go.
Dane, me not depend that with
Yo,
you,
me I say.
brother. Me not depend that.
Yo, me I say no partner. Yo, me I say. Brother, you have to go put back the money.
Dane,
Yeah, it can't work.
Dane, at them thing that me that try to tell you about, me tell you about this from day one, brother. You see the thumb drive what we use with the work? Who me tell you say how for that?
Yeah, man, stuff your youth, them, bro. We can't do it. We can't feel like my heart to do it. Me know.
Dane, you hear yourself?
So, bro, what you say? You can't do it? Just do the right, man. For the youth, then, man. We don't live so.
Youth.
Yeah, man.
Who for youth?
After the money, I feel youth, then, man.
So when you
like
sleep
house,
in
man.
the car, you know what I mean? Yes, what me?
No, man. Something else to forward up, dog. Just do the right.
Brother, right now, me there. Anything, the Russian, them a cut off right now, brother.
Just do it right, man. You know you can't go on it, man. Just do it, James. Promise me. Party, I can do it, man. Just do it, man.
Me I try. Dane.
Appreciate that, brother. That one, man. That one, brother, man. See? Do it, man. For the youth, then, man. We have to do it. All right.
This doesn't look right. This doesn't make sense. Alright, let me refresh this thing. What? Hold on, wait a minute. Oh my God. Don't tell me that, don't tell me this, don't tell me this. Hello? Yeah, me just get the information, but you have to check that again because that's not correct. No, that is the only listen, the only person ever come here are Moses and the guy with me I talk to, and none of them would do that to me. Denise, me trust you, but this is wrong. What? No, listen to me. Listen to me. No, I am telling you, the only person ever come here are Moses. You know Moses. Moses will never do this to me. Why them would I do that? That don't make sense. Make a call you back. I can't talk to you right now. Oh my God. Why? You steal from me? Oh my God. Jesus.
You're a fool, you know. Go on, babes.
Them say see me and come live with me are two different things. Two completely different things.
Who said that now, babes? Go on. Something wrong?
What have I ever done to you?
Ash, what's going on with you? Yeah, scare me. Everything good?
You have to know what's going on with me because you are the problem.
What do you know? Me not have no other woman, I swear. What's going on? Somebody tell you something?
No, I'm trying to figure out why would you do me this. It better if you did a cheat on me than do this. I'm open up to you. I'm letting in my personal space to sleep in the same bed.
Yeah, babes, everything good.
Everything is not okay because you steal from me.
Me, Ash?
And don't play them because I don't have time for food.
Whoa.
Where is my money?
Ash, calm down. What money?
The money that you took, where is it then? Don't lie to me.
Money? Babes. Put on the gun, Ash. Please.
All of it then, you took all of it. All $13 million. You're that greedy then?
Ash, me take money? Where you get this information from?
You know what this is, right? You know what this is.
Yes, put the gun down.
Do not touch me. Where is my money then?
Put the gun down.
Where is the money?
What money? Who tell you about this? Where am I take money from you?
I'm trying to figure that out. Why you steal from me? Me give you everything. Me think we the in this together. Where is my money? What my money they did and what the money? Where is it?
Alright, Ash. Let me tell you. I'm gonna tell you the God honest truth. I'm me take it, right? But listen, babe, listen. What me never mean to take the money. I just find myself with that little bind. Then, I'm take the money, but I swear to God, I'm gonna put it back. When you tell me the money, after you with them, I'm gonna take it back. I couldn't do it. But believe when I tell you, I'm gonna put everything back, every cent. Dear, you have to believe me, yeah? I'm gonna put back every red cent. I swear.
Oh, straight to the airport, my boss. Straight to the airport.
Alright.
Grab a Mexico flight, you know.
You don't know
I
the
swear.
devil take me for the chain. You don't know the devil that take me for the chain now.
Don't.
Let me get back my money tonight.
You said I'm gonna do it, babe. Ash, just put on the gun, please. You have to trust me.
trust you and you
Trust
keep
me.
30. Dane. I'm gonna call Moses. Jesus Christ. Oh shit, man, I'm lying. Why password again? Why password again? Why password? Moses, please speak up. Please speak up, Moses. Me need you no more than ever.
Yo, Dane. You don't get the thing, bro. I feel like that's style me, you know, man. I set you up from sister and this side of my brother. Dane, you don't hear me?
I go on Moses.
Get up on Dane.
There I know my father. I get the call, me I said, John, no, a long time I don't see your number show up on my phone.
Yeah, man, me there easy, but me here what go on in Westman down some mash up bad one, eh?
Let me not tell you, bro. Right now, all my catty down there. Just mash up. All my catty are hype, she are stay with. Yeah, bro. And I'm care me and leave me tell some depth sweat. Believe me.
Alright, me sorry about that still now. John know, feel a pain, but yeah,
Real.
don't worry about that, man. Me have a little thing where make you go and make some money off. But guess what? You still have the thing?
Yeah, man, where you some man?
Me have a catty, you know.
Eh.
We get a piece of food, see?
Oh, yeah, some more. Yeah, man. Talk to me now, man.
So you are one of those. I'm a real sister like that, you know, so I guess what?
See.
Could have hold a little reason with her. And because she's single, you know, when I just line it up and you just sweep in as a new man, you see me?
We are some more, man. Just line that up, man, and we just sweep in and do what we do and take everything down.
Alright. Yo, let's do
Appreciate
right
that, my brother.
See?
Yeah, man, where you some, man?
No, I'm sorry about what happened down so.
Yeah, man, I say I heard, man. It is what it is, you know?
Alright,
Just link
yeah,
me on the same number.
Alright.
Bless you.
Wait, what? What you talking about, Moses?
How this?
Moses, what you talking about? Don't tell me say him on this too. Moses, don't tell me. I trust you, Moses. I trust you. Don't lie to me, Moses, when you wanna do this to me.
I'm prank,
Then why you wanna do this to me? Really, Moses? Jesus Christ. Oh. Hello? Yes, good night. I need some assistance, please. My boyfriend tried to kill me earlier tonight and I'm a licensed firearm owner and I put my gun on him and it went off. I need some assistance, please. Yes, he's bleeding. He took a shot in the left side. Please hurry. Please hurry.
Yo, Paul, what on? You think good? What? This a while ago. This a while ago. Allah ya tell.
I pa Dane you talk to? Who talk to Dane a long time?
I know Dane.
Yeah, me.
Paul, let me call you back.
What?
Sit down.
Me not like this. What is the problem? Dane send the money? How much money him send?
Sit down.
Wow. What happened? Dane send the money? How much money he send? Me can finally go.
Dane dead.
What? Hi, just tell me me not hear the move for the Joe. My head hurt me.
I'm not sure.
What you tell me say?
He's dead. My bad computer Paul just called me a while ago. Tell me he's dead.
Dane, me not hear Dane. Me not hear this. Just tell me say. can't breathe.
Relax, hush. Nobody take it to heart, man. Me there for you. Me right, just a feeling, girl. Hush. I gotta take care of you. You promise that Dane would I want. That Dane would I want. Feel milk. I gotta take care of you. And we will be here for a longer time. Don't worry about it. I'm going to fix it. Alright? Just trust me. Take care. Me I go take care of you, man. Me I go take care.
No, Father God, why me?
You put me in your life for a reason. Don't worry. Me I go take care of you.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, I'm okay. What's up? No. Me not go there. Me I go away. No, me just I take some time to clear my head, get about my thoughts, figure things out. You know. Can't believe the two closest persons to me betray me, especially Moses. Moses, you can believe that? Exactly, and look how whenever you want the guy, like, look how me push him away, and everybody convince me to date this man, and him never mean me no good. I know, and it's just life. So I just gotta cope with it, take some time for myself, and come back, get myself ready for work again. Yeah, me know my clients them are gonna miss me or whatever, but me gonna make them know so I'm not gonna there. Alright, I'll update you. Bye bye. And thanks for the help as well. A lot. Yeah, man, I appreciate it. Okay, girl, bye.